Hello everyone. Today I'm trying to change a Nissan Qashqai 2015 engine oil. So what we're gonna do is changing oil plus we're gonna flush it. Let me show you how we're gonna flush it. So bought this engine flush. So first we're gonna do is try to flush the engine so that all carbon which is inside we can flush that. It improves the efficiency of an engine. So here it is. So I'll remove the cap. And then I will pour this inside. This goes in the engine oil, exactly here. And again we will put this cap back. Please follow these instructions, and this can be bought from Eurocar parts. So after this we're gonna run this engine for a few minutes. Make sure you don't drive this vehicle, so leave it still, ignition on, and start the engine. So I've just started the engine. It's 2015 Nissan Qashqai. So we're gonna run it for a few minutes, and please follow the instructions. So if you read the instruction, what it says is warm up the engine. Let's say you drive and then stop it, and when you think like you have to change the engine oil, make sure the engine is warm up, and put this engine flush, which removes harmful sludge and deposit. That's for petrol and diesel. And then let it run for 15 minutes. Turn it off after, and you can replace with a new engine oil. So that's the oil filter, and it's pretty hot, so make sure you wear gloves. Yeah, it came out, it went down, but we need to pick. So this I bought from Eurocar part, one filter. Exactly, you need to make sure that this is exactly the same. Make sure you don't put another one, and this seal needs to be lubricated. So you can use this oil from here, used oil. So new, yeah, so new and old one. So I'm gonna keep this apart, and we'll try to fit over there. If you guys can see, it's here.
Where's that?
Almost there. Yeah, it's
Give him that.
yeah. So we will just hardly there's space, but we will change it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and I think that's done. So we have changed this oil filter here. So now comes the bottom part. So we need to remove this cover, which is over here underneath the car. This usually comes out pretty easily, but if it gets dusty or it cannot get rust because this is plastic, what do we call them?
A clip.
Clips, yeah, clamps.
And then we need to remove these 4 screws.
This type.
So we're looking for this special tool which goes inside here, and we can open up this wall, and it's a special tool, 8mm. And that's the oil. And I can see it's pretty dirty. It is.
Pick it up and down. The service is down here.
It's very bad. It just comes like a water. It doesn't seem like even there's oil inside. So because we put the flusher, you can hear the noise. The oil does not sound like this. So let it drain for some time till every single drop comes out, and I'll show you which one I'm putting. Recommended oil for Nissan, using the Castrol this time. So it's all drained now, and we're putting back this special screw, and it's been properly tight. That's the one. Properly cleaned, and we will throw this oil now.
And then put the cover back again.
And we will put this cover, whole cover here, back again.
Oh, but I can do it.
So we need to make sure that all the screws, we put the back 1, 2, 3, 4, and we did one, and we have slowly making sure that every screw gets fit and tight and secure. So we make sure that all 4 screws are all properly secure and all the sockets are inside. It's just like you push it and it can be secured.
So I'm putting this Castrol magnet stop start 5W30, that's for diesel engines. So usually Nissan Qashqai takes 4.2 liters of oil. So I bought 2, that's 8 liter. In case I need to top up, so I'll keep it.
Get the oil back to in the sump. Then we check it.
So make sure just leave it for a couple of minutes, let the oil get settled down, and we'll check shortly.
Clean it and dip it.
It needs a little bit. I think that's dry.
Yeah, should be here.
Yeah.
Should be here. I think, see that arrow? Should be here. Should be here. Should be here.
Alright, we'll try again now.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's here. That's
yeah.
that's the arrow.
Should be there. No, look, you need it more.
It needs more oil. Yeah. So topping up a little bit more, it's still not sufficient. On the manual it says 4.2 liters, but I think it's taking more. So finally the oil change it's been done. So I used the Castrol 5W30, and usually I do after 3,500 miles. I don't leave it for long. Even the company says drive it for 10,000. It's your car, it's a heart of engine, so better off changing. It doesn't cost that much. That was Nissan Qashqai 2015 oil change. Please do leave any comments and any suggestions if you have. That would be nice to make more videos which can be helpful to others. Thank you so much.